What if I told you that just 5 simple stretches could undo years of damage to your body? And the best part? You can do them all in under 15 minutes. Most people don't realize how much stiffness and poor mobility are holding them back until they fix it. So stick with me, because by the end of this you'll feel looser, move better, and maybe even stand taller. Let's jump into the first stretch, the kneeling hip flexor stretch. If your lower back hurts or your posture sucks, your hip flexors are probably the reason. These muscles at the front of your hips help you lift your legs, bend, and basically move like a human. But sitting all day shrinks them and leaves you feeling stiff. Here's how to do it the right way, because most people mess it up. Start in a kneeling position. 1 knee down, 1 foot forward at 90 degrees. Squeeze your glutes. Yes, actually squeeze them. This protects your lower back. Lean forward just enough to feel a deep stretch at the front of your hip. Want to level it up? Raise your arm on the kneeling side and lean slightly away. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds per side. Your lower back will thank you later. Now, let's move on to a game changer for your spine. Done consistently, this stretch will not only relieve tension, but also improve your overall flexibility and movement. You'll notice a difference in how your hips feel throughout the day, especially if you've been dealing with stiffness. Plus, by incorporating this stretch into your routine, you're giving your body the reset it needs to move more efficiently and pain-free. Just a few minutes of this can create lasting improvements in your mobility and posture. Cat-cow stretch. Your spine is the foundation of every movement you make. If it's stiff, everything, from bending over to hitting the gym, feels harder than it should. That's where cat-cow comes in. It's not just a stretch, it's a full reset for your back, improving mobility and keeping you pain-free. Here's how to do it right. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, and tilt your tailbone up. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, and pull your belly in. Move slowly between these two positions, feeling each vertebra stretch. Bonus tip: do this before your workouts to wake up your spine and boost performance. And here's something even more important: consistency. Stretching once or twice is nice, but making it a daily habit? That's where the real magic happens. Your spine will feel looser, your movements will feel smoother, and even simple tasks, like bending over to tie your shoes, will become effortless. Give it time, and you'll be amazed at how much better your body moves and feels. Doorway chest stretch. If your shoulders are rounding forward and your neck feels tight, blame your phone and your desk. We spend hours hunched over screens, and over time, our chest muscles get tight, pulling our shoulders forward and wrecking our posture. The fix? The doorway chest stretch. Here's how to do it right. Stand in a doorway and place your forearms on the frame at shoulder height. Step forward gently, feeling the stretch across your chest and shoulders. Keep your back straight. Don't let your lower back arch. Take deep breaths while holding the stretch. Most people forget this. Hold for 30 seconds, repeat twice. Your posture will feel 10 times better. Now, remember that stretch I mentioned earlier? The one that will open up your hips like never before? You're going to want to try this next one. But before we move on, let's take it a step further. After opening your chest and shoulders, roll your shoulders back and down, feeling the tension melt away. Breathe deeply and imagine your body aligning piece by piece. This isn't just about posture, it's about reclaiming how you feel in your body. Next time you feel tight or slouched, step into that doorway and stretch. It's a small act that makes a big difference. Frog stretch. You've probably never done this stretch before, and when you do, you'll feel the difference instantly. Tight hips don't just mess with your mobility, they affect your knees, lower back, and even how you squat and walk. The frog stretch fixes that by opening up your inner thighs and hips like nothing else. Here's how to do it. Start on all fours and slowly widen your knees as far as they comfortably go. Keep your feet in line with your knees and your shins parallel to each other. Lower your hips toward the ground until you feel a deep stretch. Want to take it further? Gently rock your hips back and forth. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat twice. You'll feel looser, lighter, and way more mobile. Now, before I show you the full stretching routine, there's one last stretch that most people overlook, but it's key to unlocking your spine. And trust me, you don't want to skip it. This final stretch will tie everything together, making sure your entire body moves freely and efficiently. Stick around, because once you add this to your routine, you'll never go back to feeling stiff and sluggish again. Supine twist. Most of the movements we do, walking, running, lifting, are forward and backward. But real mobility, it comes from rotation. That's why the supine twist is a game changer. It releases tension, improves spinal mobility, and even helps you relax. Here's how to do it right. Lie on your back with your arms stretched out to the sides. Bring one knee toward your chest, then guide it across your body with your opposite hand. Let your knee drop toward the floor while keeping both shoulders grounded. Feel that deep stretch across your lower back, spine, and hip. Hold for 45 seconds per side. Repeat twice. This one is perfect for ending your day feeling refreshed. As you finish, notice how your body feels. Spine looser, tension released. Bring knees to center. Take a deep breath and let your body settle. The supine twist isn't just mobility, it's reconnecting. Movement doesn't always need intensity. It's about slowing down and listening. Feel balanced, open, and at peace. Rotation unlocks your body's potential. Carry that with you. Now, let's put everything together into a simple 12 to 15 minute routine you can follow. Your 12-minute stretching routine. Now that you know the 5 key stretches, here's how to put them together for maximum results. In just 12 to 15 minutes. Cat-cow stretch. 10 reps to warm up your spine and improve mobility. Kneeling hip flexor stretch. 30 seconds per side. 2 rounds to unlock tight hips. Doorway chest stretch. 30 seconds. 2 rounds to fix your posture. Frog stretch. 30 seconds. 2 rounds for deep hip mobility. Supine twist. 45 seconds per side. 2 rounds to decompress your spine. Do this 3 to 5 days a week, and your body will feel the difference. If this helped, share it with a friend, because everyone needs better mobility. You don't need hours in the gym or fancy equipment to move and feel better. Just 5 simple stretches done consistently. In just 12 to 15 minutes a day, you'll fix your posture, loosen up stiff hips, relieve back pain, move more freely. Try this routine 3 to 5 times a week, and you'll feel a difference in no time. If this video helped, share it with a friend who sits too much. We all know someone. Let's get moving.